Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking Channel. Chinese New Year is less than 2 months away. The next few Sundays, we'll focus on shooting some Chinese New Year dishes. Share with you today. Shredded chicken soup with fish maw, dried scallops. Ingredients have fish maw, dried scallops, mushrooms and chicken breast. Process the fish maw first, because it takes 8 hours to soak. Wash it first. Because it's about cooking soup, it is recommended to use thinner fish maw to make easy to cut it into thin strips. The texture feels better. It is recommended to use stainless steel, glass or ceramic pots to process fish maw. Never use iron pans. The previous video of braised duck feet with abalone fish maw and mushrooms already explained how to soak fish maw. But I left out one very important thing. That is, there should be no oil in the process. If there is oil, the fish maw will become soft and rotten. Turn on the stove. Add 2 or 3 slices of ginger. After boiling, add fish maw. Cover it. These fish maw are so thin. Turn off the heat and simmer for 8 hours. At this time to process other materials. Soak the mushrooms. Wash the dried scallops and fill them with water. Steam for an hour. Cut the chicken breast while it is not completely defrosted. The shredded chicken will be more beautiful if you wait for it to fully thaw before cutting it. The finished product will have a poorer appearance. Cut it as thin as possible. Slice it first. The finer the cut, the prettier the finished product will be. Seasoning: a teaspoon of sugar, pinch pepper, half tablespoon soy sauce, a small amount of Shilajit wine, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well. Set aside. Spare mushrooms soaked. Cut off the stem. There is a lot of mud at the bottom of the mushroom. Kneading with cornstarch can effectively remove sand and mud. Rinse it off. Cornstarch can effectively take away sand and mud. Shred it. The finer the cut, the more beautiful the finished product. As in the video is enough. Mushrooms are only fragrant, but not salty, so must be seasoned. Add 2 slices of ginger. Add a small amount of Shilajit wine, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, a teaspoon of sugar. Add appropriate amount of water, enough to cover the surface. Mix well. Add a tablespoon of oil. Pour on the surface. The steamed shredded mushrooms will not turn black before the scallops are steamed. Add mushrooms and steam together. Steam scallops and mushrooms. Shredded mushrooms set aside. Scallops drained and crushed. The soup after steaming the scallops must be kept. It's umami. Crush it with a spoon. The material is almost ready. After the fish maw is soaked, shred it is okay. Shredded chicken soup with fish maw scallops. After the flour gum is stewed in hot water for 8 hours, has become soft, has become much larger. Clean it up. Shred it. It is recommended not to cut too finely. Cut to about 2 mm wide. If cut too finely, there will be no taste. As in the video is enough. The soup can be made now. Boil the shredded chicken. Boil some water. When it is almost boiling, you can add shredded chicken. Add shredded chicken if it is fully boiling. These stick together easily. Add the bubbling water and mix the shredded chicken well. In this way, it is not easy to bond. Hold on the surface. Keep stirring. Make the chicken shreds fall apart. When the chicken turns color, take it out. Because the shredded chicken is finely chopped, so the chicken cooks so fast. Cooking for 1 to 2 minutes is enough. Scoop it up. Rinse with water. Wash off the scum. Otherwise the foam will affect the appearance of the finished product. Easy to make with ready-made chicken soup. This chicken soup has been seasoned. Do not add a lot of seasoning. We'll add scallop soup later. The scallop soup is salty. Chicken soup with scallop soup salty enough. There are 4 bowls of ingredients. Add 4 bowls of chicken soup. Made in a 1:1 ratio. Add steamed scallop soup. Add all materials. Dried scallops. Shredded mushroom. Fish maw. Chicken shreds. Prepare cornstarch water. After boiling, turn to medium-low heat. In this way, the finished product will be smoothly. If you use high heat to thicken the sauce, the soup has a chance to clump together. Dark soy sauce toning. Add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. See how it works. I think the color and viscosity are enough. If you like darker colors, pour on the surface. Today's flour maw scallop chicken soup is complete. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.